Super Kids. Welcome to Team Super Nicos! Today we're going to open the Mega Rex. This is my gift for myself. Are you excited? Then let's get started. So here's the instructions. Ooh. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Here is the tail. Here are the wings. So I put the barrier ready, and let's see how this T-Rex moves. No, you're gonna fall! Ah!
Kuya!
I did it.
Are you scared?
We're just testing out it. Did you see that, Super Kids? Zeke is scared of it. This is the best robot ever. Ow, ow. I hope you like my video today. See you next time. There's another video coming up. Please follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and TikTok. Please don't forget to subscribe in Team Super Nicos. This is your boy, we're not signing out. Peace, 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 peace.